Hi everyone, Drini here, and welcome to my channel. So over the past 1 hour, Bitcoin decided to really go ape shit on all of us. So when it comes to market dumps like this is actually the ultimate test on whether or not you really have diamond hands. Because it's much easy to yell diamond hands during a subsequent run-up, but do you really have the constitution to hold even though your portfolio may be down 20-30%? We shall see. Anyway, the market dumps are not going to stop us from doing viewer requests, part 2 for today. So today we're going to talk about Sandbox or Sand, the Shill token, Gold Fever or NGL, and Vulcan Forged. And let's begin. So we are currently covering Sand in the middle of this massive wave of downside pressure right here. And this is actually a good opportunity to teach about Elliott waves. So for Sand, what we were doing over the past few weeks or so is we were actually forming nice Elliott wave structures right here. So this is your wave 1 right here. This is your wave 2. This is your wave 3. We were supposed to go on a wave 4 correction right here. So we are in the middle of this before our subsequent destination to our wave 5. Because of the recent dumps of Bitcoin right here, you may be wondering, are we still on our way to our eventual destination, which we will map out later? It depends. So in Elliott waves, typically, the wave 1 high and the wave 4 low cannot be the same price. Meaning, if your wave 4 suddenly goes back down here and goes below this wave 1 high of around $3.46, then do expect this entire structure to be invalidated and we will most likely need to reset and form new structures to the upside. But if we are able to hold that particular price point, then if we can expect that maybe the potential low of Sandbox would most likely be in the daily 55 EMA. If we identify this as the low, we wouldn't know because we still need to go there. Then our eventual wave 5 destination would be the 1618 right here of around $14.39. It will be slightly lower if this is the particular bottom right here after this dump. We will still be aiming for the 1618 of around $13.50. And if that happens, of course, somewhere around here, do expect a subsequent ABC correction that will happen before our eventual continuation to the upside. But again, everything that we talk about here would be very, very dependent on what Bitcoin will be doing moving forward. If eventually we continue our dump to the downside, then expect this particular structure to be invalidated. And we will have to review it again just to see what new structures form from here. And let's move on. So I have the Shill token here, and after a subsequent launch right here and the immediate sell-off, it did start to form Elliott wave structures. So it's harder to see on a daily time frame, but if I go to the 4-hourly time frame right here, you have your wave 1 right here, wave 2, this is your wave 3 right here, wave 4, and wave 5. After that, we are now on basically our ABC correction, so you can imagine something like this. But once again, because of the market dumps, if we need some time to recover moving forward, then expect that we will most likely hang around this area for a while. But the good thing about it is we are currently in the C wave, and you know what that means? If we are in the C wave, this is pretty much DCA zone if you believe in the project. So if you believe in the Shill project, then don't worry so much about price and just DCA accordingly. And let's move on. So I have NGL right here, and after its initial launch, it suddenly blasted off into an Elliott wave structures like this. So you have wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. This is most likely your wave 4 before the eventual destination of wave 5 right here. And right now, because of the subsequent dump, then it has really accelerated the correction phase. This is your A wave right here, B, and right now we are pretty much free falling on our C wave right here. Once again, NGL, C wave, DCA zone right here. And let's move on. And finally, we're at Vulcan Forged or PYR. And right now, looking at it on a 4-hourly time frame, since we don't really have a lot of data for Vulcan, after a subsequent run up, where this is your wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5 right here, where are we now? A, B, and C. So if you really believe in the project, once again, guys, DCA zone right here, because it is very impossible for us to find out where the bottom of the C wave will be. One very harsh saying in the crypto space, but it is very relevant for what's happening now, is as a crypto investor, especially as a crypto gaming investor, if you are not ready for 20-30% drawdowns, then you do not deserve 10x gains. As much as it may hurt for some of you, looking at your portfolios and seeing your positions down 20, 30, 40, 50%, just remember, all of these are paper losses. If you don't do anything, then nothing happens. They're just imaginary values that you haven't realized yet. So just wait for the markets to recover and let's see from there. If you like my video, please like and subscribe, hit the notification bell. Also, let me know what you think in the comments. If you also have other gaming cryptos that you would like me to look at, just leave it down in the comments below and I'll take a look at it in the future. Until then, take care everyone. Bye bye.